So hello everyone, myself Vibhan Chaluk and I'm here to demonstrate one of my projects which I'm going to build on the Arweave blockchain. This is for the Arweave Hacker House event. So let me quickly show you what I'm going to do, what I'm building. So this is MarkOne guys, right? Presenting you MarkOne. This is a platform for collaboration and creations. So you have heard of a lot of applications like Excalibur, Eraser.io, right? This is something similar, but on the Arweave chain. And there's more, like we have room for wireframing, the documentation, the invitations also, so that you can collab with more of your teammates on the same project, on the same file. This is something fun, right? So let's just quickly connect the wallet. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, we are connected, right? Now, just quickly log in. I have in between authentication also in case, somebody wants to authenticate that manner. So yeah, so this one is a new account, right? So it basically asks us to create a team. So let's create a team. Suppose Arweave. We are going to create Arweave, right? The team name is Arweave. Now, yep. So as we can see, so here are the all the teams that are mentioned. So this one is the RV, and we can delete it because we are the original owner of this team. There's a lot of options like invite members, create new files. So what I'm going to show you is how new files are generated. So yeah, we will create a file name. Suppose new file. Yeah, very creative name, right? New file, and yes, the transaction has been done. Now the new file is here. So like in our dashboard we can create more than around 5 files. 1 out of 5 files have been used. This is just a limit frame, right? Now we go on to this new file. As you can see, this part is the documentation part. This is the canvas. This is, you may think this is familiar. This one is the canvas, and here we can, maybe suppose we are going to build an application. We need some designs, right? We need some wireframing. So first of all, let's just create a simple wireframe. Suppose we are building an application, and suppose we want side navigation bar, the top navigation, and the header main content. Yeah, suppose this one is, yeah, it looks pretty, actually prettier than my own application. So, and this one is the documentation, right? You need to update things, maybe keep on documentation. So suppose I write this is the doc by web. Suppose this account is web. Let's just say it is web. So now we are going to save this. So the document and the canvas has been saved. Now we will go back to the files. As you can see, new file is here. And I'm going to show you what is like the brilliant feature here. So we can invite members, and the invitation can be sent two ways actually. So I've implemented both of them in a simple manner. So Ruffles is here, and this account is my, the alt account. So I'll send the invitation to this account. It takes around like 20 seconds to process, sometimes 10. So let's just quickly log into my other account. So this is my other account, and yeah, so we are going to connect wallet. Let's just quickly log in, right? And once we are connected, let's just log in, get started with, like, go to the same page. Now we have this pending team invitation. This team invitation, this ID. I should have, kept some, like name kind of tags, but right now it is just the ID which was generated, right? The ID. Now, if we accept the invitations, okay, you can see this test and these files because this one is an old account, so there was an already a file which I created. If I refresh this page now, you can see there are two files, and this one cannot be deleted because I have not created it. I'm just a team member. So let's go on the RV we just created, and this is the new file. Let's just go on to the new file. Yeah. So this is the documentation by Wib. Let's just edit it. This is the doc by Wib 2, right? And canvas is not showing up. Maybe it does work. Like most of the time, things are saved. Maybe I have to save it initial purpose, something like that. Let's just see. Okay, okay. So yeah, here is the thing, right? Here is the thing which we created on the other account. Yeah, it was actually hiding behind the picture. So yeah, this is how things are working. We can collaborate in manner like every. Let's go back to the dashboard, and yeah, that is my project. If you check on the other account, this doc is saved by. It takes some time to load on this side. You've seen it, right? So this is from Web 2. So this is how we can collaborate together on a single project and work on things like uh, project development regarding wireframing. One can do the documentation. This is a brilliant idea when it comes to uh, teamwork and building something new for Arweave, right? Thank you for being with me.